Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Tired of lukewarm coffee ruining your mornings? You need this. Seriously, the COPHYA stainless steel insulated vacuum coffee carafe is a game changer. It's super comfy to hold, has this awesome metal frame that feels really solid, and get this, it's king size. Imagine never having to rush to finish your drink before it gets cold. This thing keeps drinks hot for a mind-blowing 24 hours. 24. The thick, food-grade stainless steel feels so smooth and durable, you just know it's built to last, no cheap plastic here. And that 2-liter capacity? Perfect for when you've got people over or just want plenty of your favorite beverage on hand. Whether it's steaming hot tea, fresh coffee, warm milk, or even just hot water, it handles it all. Plus, the ergonomic handle is a dream and the spill-proof lid means no more messy commutes. This isn't just another carafe, it's your reliable partner for every sip. So many people are loving this, and it's easy to see why. Upgrade your beverage experience today and enjoy perfect temperature drinks all day long. If this helped, hit. Link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.